and software. Hello friends! In the previous chapter, you learnt about computer system, which is a combination of hardware and software. Now, let us learn about hardware and software. Hardware. All the physical equipment that are attached to a computer are collectively called hardware. You can touch and feel the hardware. Hardware includes various components like system unit, input devices, processing device, output devices and storage devices. System unit. System unit is a plastic or metal case that stands near the monitor. It protects the internal electronic components from damage. It is also called computer case. Every computer has a system unit or computer case. It is available in a variety of shapes and sizes. Input devices. The data or instruction we enter in the computer is called input. A hardware component that allows you to enter data and instructions into a computer is called an input device. Input devices are mainly external devices connected to the system unit from outside. Some input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, touch screen, scanner. Users can enter data and instructions in a variety of ways. Keyboard. It is an input device that is used to enter data into a computer. Mouse. It is an input device that fits under the palm of your hand. It is used to draw pictures and select the objects. It is also called a pointing device. Scanner. It is an input device which is used to enter images, text, drawing, etc. by scanning into the computer. Joystick. It is an input device which is used for playing games. Touch screen. It is an input device through which the data is entered by simply touching the screen. The object on the screen is pointed using a finger. The finger acts as the pointing device. Processing device. After getting the data or instructions from input devices, computer processes the data and changes it into information with the help of processor or CPU. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU, also known as processor or microprocessor, is the processing device of a computer. It is also known as the brain of the computer. CPU performs all the calculations and processes data into information. Components of CPU. CPU consists of three components. ALU. The arithmetic and logic unit, ALU, performs arithmetical comparison and logical operations. Arithmetic operations include basic calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Comparison operations involve comparing one data item with another, for example, greater than, equal to or less than. Logical operations use conditions along with logical operators such as and, or, and not. Control unit. The control unit CU is used to control all the functions of a computer. It checks what to do and when to do. It also checks the results given by ALU. Memory unit. Memory unit, MU, stores the data or information which can be taken out and changed anytime, whenever required. Here is a figure of the processing device. Input devices, data, processor, memory unit, arithmetic logic unit ALU, control unit CU, information, output devices. Output devices. After processing, computer shows the final result or information as an output. Any hardware component that shows the final result is called an output device. Some output Users can get the output in a variety of ways. Monitor. It is an output device that is used to display text, pictures and videos. The information displayed on the monitor is called soft copy. Printer. It is an output device which is used to print text and graphics on paper. The text or graphics we get on the paper are called hard copy or printout. Speakers. These are output devices which are used to hear the sound output from a computer. Data projector. It is an output device that projects the data that is being displayed on a computer screen on a larger screen so that the audience can see it clearly. Smartboard. It is an output device that displays the information on a connected screen, usually via a data projector. This board is used in classrooms as a teaching tool. Storage devices. Storage allows you to save your work for future use. Any hardware component that is used to store data, instructions and information for future use is called a storage device. Some storage devices are hard disk, compact disc CD, pen drive. Users can store the information in a variety of ways. Hard disk. It is main storage device that is fixed inside the system unit. It is used to store large amount of data and information. CD, compact disc. It is a flat, circular and portable disc that is used to store information. CD-ROM, DVD and Blu-ray are types of CD. CD-ROM stands for compact disc read-only memory. DVD stands for digital video disc. It can store more data than CD-ROM. Blu-ray is new DVD format which has a larger storage capacity and better quality than DVD.
Pen drive. It is a small and portable storage device that can store and transfer data easily from one computer to another. It is also called flash.
Software. Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer hardware what to do and how to perform a particular job. You cannot touch or feel the software. There can be mainly two types of software: system software, application software. System software. System software is a type of software that controls and manages the overall activities of a computer system. It operates from behind the scene and ensures that your computer system functions properly. It also runs the application software. Operating system is an example of system software. Operating system. Operating system is the first software which has to be installed on the computer. It acts as a bridge between the user and the computer system. It coordinates all the activities in the computer. Some operating system software are Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Windows. Windows is the most popular operating system developed by Microsoft. Mac OS. Mac OS is an operating system developed by Apple Inc. for their Macintosh line of computer systems. Linux. Linux is an open-source operating system developed by Linus Torvalds. It is available for free on the internet. Application software. The software that performs specific tasks for the users is known as application software or app. Application software helps you in doing some specific types of work. For example, we use Paint to make drawings, but we cannot do calculations using Paint. We have to use the calculator software to calculate. Some application software programs are
Microsoft Word or MS Word,
It helps you to create documents with ease and efficiency by typing text. Microsoft Excel or MS Excel. It helps you to perform calculations and store the data in a tabular format, rows and columns. Microsoft Paint or MS Paint. It helps you to work with graphics. You can draw and paint with this software. Hardware and software complement each other. Hardware and software are complement to each other. That is, without hardware, software is of no use, and without software, hardware is a dumb machine. In order for a computer to produce useful output, its hardware and software must work together. Without software, your monitor would not display anything. Your printer will not print. Your speakers would remain silent. Your keyboard will not type. And mouse will not select anything. Without hardware, your Paint will not draw. Your MS Word will not create document, and your MS Excel will not calculate. For example, you draw in color beautiful pictures in Paint on the computer. At that time, the computer represents hardware and Paint represents software. Just think, how can you use software Paint without hardware, a computer? What would our hardware computer be used for if not to work with software Paint? So, it can be said, without software computer hardware is just like a human body without a soul.